Darnell Williams.
Darnell, you both, I'm sure, familiar with the Soul Train Scramble Board, right?
The Scramble Board challenged contestants to spell the names of legendary black icons.
There were political figures like Julian Bond and Phyllis Wheatley and Harriet Tubman.
I always thought that was fixed, though, because you could never find one episode where a couple didn't figure it out.
Actually, the board was fixed. Sort of.
It was impossible not to win on the Scramble Board, which is a little-known fact, because we were into projecting positive images of black people, and so we couldn't have them stand there misspelling Stevie Wonder's name.
The positive images